Have you ever walked into a room and felt an immediate sense of unease? Or moved into a new home, only to feel overwhelmed by an energy that isn't yours? Today, we're diving deep into an overlooked truth. Trauma can be stored in your physical space. We'll explore how to use Feng Shui cleansing techniques and powerful Renki Cord-Cutting Rituals to purify your home for true peace and well-being. Trauma in walls. Everything is energy. And just like a sponge absorbs water, our environments absorb energetic imprints. Think about a heated argument that happened in a room. That intense emotional energy doesn't just vanish. Or a home where illness, grief, or even abuse occurred. These experiences leave a residue, a subtle energetic charge that can affect anyone living there, even decades later. Ever bought a haunted feeling antique, or felt awed in an old hotel room? That's residual energy at play. So, how do we clear this invisible energetic dust? That's where the powerful combination of Feng Shui and Renki comes in. Feng Shui cleansing. Purifying your space. This isn't just about physical tidiness, it's about intentional energy clearing. Step 1. Physical decluttering and deep clean. The absolute foundational step. Radical decluttering and deep cleaning. Go room by room, drawer by drawer. Ask yourself, does this item spark joy and serve its purpose? If not, release it. Step 2. Air and light activation. Once physically clean, infuse your space with life. Open all windows and doors for at least 15-20 minutes, even in winter. Let the stale energy out and fresh, vibrant Kai in. Then, ensure ample natural light during the day, and good, bright lighting at night. Step 3. Sound and vibration clearing. Sound and vibration are incredibly powerful. You can use bells or chimes. Walk through your home, ringing a bell in every corner, especially near doors and windows, inviting stagnant energy to dissipate. Clapping. Go into each room, especially corners, and clap loudly and sharply 3 times. This literally breaks up stuck energy. Step 4. Smoke cleansing. Sage, Palo Santo, incense. For deeper cleansing, consider smoke cleansing with sage, Palo Santo, or your favorite cleansing incense. Light your chosen herb, let it smolder, and walk clockwise through each room, wafting the smoke into corners, closets, and around objects. Set your intention. I release all stagnant, negative, and foreign energies from this space. Only love and light remain. Step 5. Salt bowls and protection. Finally, for ongoing absorption, place small bowls of sea salt in corners, especially in areas that feel heavy. The salt absorbs negative energy. Replace it every few days or weeks. You can also sprinkle salt along windowsills and doorways for energetic protection. Now that your space is energetically lighter, what about the echoes of trauma within you? That's where Renki cord cutting comes in. Renki cord cutting. Reclaiming your energetic self. Even after clearing your space, you might still feel connected to past traumas, whether they happened in that house or elsewhere. These connections exist as energetic cords between you and people, places, or events that drained your energy. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes, or soften your gaze. Take 3 deep, cleansing breaths. Now, bring to mind any person, place, or situation that you feel is still holding you back, draining your energy, or associated with a past trauma you're ready to release. Don't force it, let the image gently surface. Visualize an energetic cord. It might be thick or thin, dark or murky, extending from your solar plexus or another part of your body, connecting you to that person, place, or event. Now, in your mind's eye, see yourself holding a tool, a pair of golden scissors, a radiant sword, a beam of pure light. With a firm but gentle intention, mentally cut that cord. Feel it detach. As you cut, affirm, I release this connection with love and gratitude, knowing it no longer serves my highest good. I reclaim my energy, my power, and my peace. Notice how your energy feels lighter, freer. Take another deep breath. You can repeat this for any other cords you feel ready to release. Always end with gratitude for the lessons learned. Integration and ongoing practice. By combining Feng Shui cleansing for your space with Renki cord cutting for your energetic self, you create a powerful synergy. You're not just cleaning your home, you're actively releasing the invisible burdens that have been holding you back, both externally and internally. Imagine waking up in a home that feels light, fresh, and supportive. Imagine feeling clearer, more vibrant, and truly free from old energetic ties. This is the power you unlock when you intentionally clear both your mind space and your physical space. Start small. Begin with one cleansing ritual in your space. Then, try the cord cutting for one past connection. Consistency is key here. Make this a part of your regular energetic hygiene.